In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trainings and certifications in HubSpot. Before we dive into the steps, let's briefly talk about why HubSpot is a great platform for gaining new skills and certifications. HubSpot Academy offers a wide range of free educational resources that are perfect for marketing, sales, service, and growth professionals looking to stay up to date with industry trends and expand their knowledge base. Now, let's get started with the process of finding these valuable training opportunities. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. This can be done effortlessly by opening your preferred web browser and typing in HubSpot's web address. Once you've arrived on the HubSpot homepage, you'll notice a few options. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, as you click on Login, you'll be presented with multiple login options. For convenience, HubSpot allows you to sign in using your Google account, which is a quick and easy way to gain access without having to remember another password. If you use Google, click Sign in with Google and then select your account from the list that appears to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to go to your profile. Again, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu. From the options listed, select HubSpot Academy. This will direct you to the learning portal that houses all the available courses and certifications. Once inside the HubSpot Academy, you'll see a search bar. This tool is your gateway to the vast array of courses that HubSpot offers. Simply type in the topic or course title that you are interested in, such as digital marketing or any specific skill you're aiming to learn more about. As you type, suggestions will begin to populate, helping you find the exact course you're looking for. After finding the course that piques your interest, it's time to enroll. Click on the course title and you'll be taken to its dedicated page where you can find more details about the curriculum and what you can expect to learn. Once you're satisfied with the course details, look for the Enroll button on the course page and click it to register yourself. And there you have it, the straightforward steps to finding and enrolling in trainings and certifications through HubSpot. This process not only equips you with essential skills, but also enhances your professional profile with recognized certifications. Take advantage of these resources and continue on your path to professional growth. Thank you for watching and happy learning.